Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Peyton if you guys are new here. It is Tuesday, October 25th today, and I thought we would do a day in the life together because we kind of have like a full day at school and lots to do tonight, so I thought it was like a good little option. I'm also filming an Instagram takeover for a club at a different school, so I just figured we'd do like the whole thing, put it all together, because I'm kind of in like content mode today, if you will. Today's a big day. Today is a big day because we start pharmacology at 8 o'clock, so I need to leave in like 2 minutes. I'm scared because I did not take pharmacology in undergrad. I think like it's definitely going to be doable, but it's just going to be really challenging for me, so interested to see how that goes. So we have that, then we have like a little suturing lab today at 10, and then we're gonna start learning how to auscultate the heart today at 1 o'clock. So we have a full day, we have lots to do tonight, and I'm excited that you guys are here. I go to Michigan State University. We are in the second semester of didactic year right now, so things are starting to pick up again. October was our easiest month, which I loved, so it's gonna get real again here. But anyways, let's head off to school. I'm gonna try to film on my phone today while we're there, and let's just have a good day. I was in kind of like a bit of a funk last week, so I'm feeling good right now. We'll see how long that lasts, but that's what's going on. I'm just wearing this cute little shirt and some jeans because we need a sports bra on today, so I just had to be kind of casual. So that's what's going on. Let's head to class. All right, this was my lovely little walk into class. It was actually kind of cold this morning. And then we started pharmacology, which literally might be the death of me. It's already confusing me. These are my friends looking so happy to be there that morning.
The bad thing is I keep going like this.
Why is that bad?
Like this.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gripping.
Gripping.
Feel this.
What's wrong?
Just a little bit. Is yours like that?
Mine's more like
soft?
Yes.
Mine are so crooked, guys. This person's gonna have the biggest scar ever.
Do 5 total throws. Oh yeah, very nice. See, your needle's big enough you can put it through once.
Yeah. Okay, is this thread? Is it harder to tie knots with it?
Yes, and because it's a monofilament and it's very slippery, you want to tie at least 5 or 6 or 4.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Like this one is braided.
Yeah, I like this one.
Yeah. Yep.
Does this look okay?
This one scars a little more though. So
Oh, really?
yeah, that looks great actually. Yay. I love it. Yeah. We would almost never use on the outside because they will fuss with the skin and they'll scar a lot more. So we'll tend to use monofilaments on the external.
Got it.
I'm a little crooked.
It's okay. It looks really good though. I like how you're everted in the middle and you have very nice even layers. I think you're doing great, actually.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You're like, I needed that.
I feel like I'm like hurting them.
I know, that's why they're under anesthesia.
Perfect.
No,
Yeah.
exactly. Do you remember when she was teaching us how to do these ties last time? There was like sometimes you can go. Yes,
Do you want me to show you? I think it was just like, remember that was the always be between this.
Right.
2. Oh, it's 2 for the first one. 2. Waiting. Let me just readjust. And then you pull.
Like,
and then
are
it's just
you
1?
right?
She said you can either think about it as the elliptical, or you could just follow that, like always have it as like a sandwich rule.
Okay.
So I just do the sandwich personally.
Yeah, I know that was like so helpful when she's writing.
I don't remember a sandwich.
They don't remember sandwich. Taylor, do you remember sandwich?
You always want the driver in the middle.
Always want the there. Always want the
Oh,
driver
that
in the
part, yes.
middle. Sorry, I think food.
No, love that. I'm a foodie gal too.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, Taylor.
What? Oh no!
All right, so after lunch, we had our physical exam class, and it started with a lecture on how to complete the cardiovascular physical exam. We were listening to abnormal heart sounds. Miss Emily got a little distracted, and we practiced our skills afterwards.
Welcome. This is going to be a pretty average week of here.
All right, guys, we are back home. I just shoveled that breakfast sandwich into my mouth. Originally, my plan was to go to the gym like directly after class, like come home, change, but I absolutely needed to eat something. So now I'm thinking I'm gonna like work maybe until 6ish and then go to the gym, which I hate because the gym is like peak busy at 6 o'clock, but whatever. Anyways, today is just one of those days where we're like gonna be go from like 8 to 10 p.m. I can just feel it. I'll pop my like little schedule for the day on here. I use a planner that I download from Etsy on my iPad, and I go ahead and plan out my whole entire day. Some things switch around, like today I don't think I'll get to the gym maybe till around 6ish, and then maybe dinner like around 7. So that's just how today's playing out so far. But I always like right when I come home to like just chill out for a second. Today I don't think I'm gonna have that much time, maybe 20 more minutes. Yeah, today was fun. I loved doing suturing. We also did, I forgot to film this, but we did a cardiology exam on each other. We just have to like be on our sports bras and stuff, so I didn't really feel like whipping out my camera in front of everybody. So I need to quickly, in these next 20 minutes I have, go ahead and continue posting my like story takeover because I haven't posted them yet. So I need to do that, and then we are gonna get to work on our P&D, which is Procedures and Diagnostics course, and we have that exam on Friday. So once I start working on that, I'll kind of show you guys like what I have to do because it's kind of intense. It's about like chest x-rays, ABGs, PFTs, all this stuff that I'll explain. So like I mentioned, we have an exam on Procedures and Diagnostics on Friday. Usually this class I would say is one of our easier classes, but this time it's kind of a big one because it's all about the pulmonary system. So we have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lectures. It's usually not that big, and they're kind of like hefty lectures. Like arterial blood gases are kind of complicated. PFTs, which is pulmonary function testing, they're a little less complicated, at least in my opinion, but they're still like a pretty big topic. And then we also have to do x-ray, chest x-ray interpretation, which is very confusing. If for those of you who have tried before, like I'm sure once you get the hang of it, it's easy, but to me it's like foreign right now. So what I'm gonna do is go through the PowerPoints and start creating a Quizlet. As you guys should probably know by now, Quizlet's my jam when it comes to studying. I try to like break it down into super small like little pieces of information that are easy to go through and like not overwhelming when you're going through your flashcards on Quizlet. So I'm gonna try to do this for an hour and a half. This exam is until Friday, so ideally I will do this today, get hopefully a good chunk of it done, and then tomorrow be able to finish it and then also like start studying it. So that's what's going on. So we're gonna make our Quizlet. I will probably sit in bed and like just put a show on so that I like remain awake because God knows I'm like, today's just like not one of those days where I want to be working as hard as I have to. So, and then we also have to do like apnea and like sleep studies. We have to do respiratory critical care, thoracic procedures, like we have to know all that good stuff. But the ones I mentioned before are kind of like the more complicated topics. So let's do this for like an hour and a half and then go to the gym. Fingers crossed I make it. Okay, so once I kind of started studying, I realized like ABGs and PFTs and chest x-ray even wasn't as hard as I initially thought it would be. I actually took this exam today, the day that I'm filming this voiceover, and I got a 91%. So the hard work paid off, despite the fact that I was so lazy and unmotivated to do so, but it all worked out. I definitely got sleepy and took a nap around 5 to 5:20. I take 20-minute naps because they're effective and they don't take up as much time. So we finished 2 of the lectures of the like 7 of them, so that's all I can do today. I need to focus the rest of my attention today on our big pulmonology exam we have on Monday. So I guess tomorrow just has to be a grinded out day for this procedures and diagnostics class. But I really would love to go to the gym and just do a HIIT workout to get my blood pumping. So let's pick out a little workout fit. I'm thinking I have this black sports bra on, little number, and then these Gymshark black camo leggings that are like a classic.
What if I told you I couldn't stay? Take me or leave me. You can still walk away. What if I told you this love won't be easy?
Say hey, vlog.
Will you still be here? Is this real?
We are showered. I just did a body shower because I'm gonna try to work out tomorrow morning, so I didn't feel like it was like there was a point to me washing my hair. But I feel a lot better after that workout. I'm gonna be honest, I am concerned for my like motivation and drive right now, because I feel like if you guys like have been keeping up on the videos, in September we were like literally, I don't know the word to put it, but put through hell. That's how I would describe it. And October was like a big break. Like, yeah, we had exams here and there, but it was like nothing compared to September. And now we're coming in on the second half of the semester, which is gonna be, I don't think it's gonna be as challenging as September, but like it's gonna be hard. And I don't wanna use the word burnt out because I feel like that's really extreme, but like I just can't focus and I feel like unmotivated all the time to like do work, to do anything basically. So I'm concerned, but my workout definitely woke me up and made me feel a lot better, which is good. Working out is like my literal therapy in PA school. Everybody has their own thing. Mine's definitely working out. I just like am so thankful for it. I mentioned this in a previous video, but like my mindset towards working out has completely shifted. Like I used to do it because I felt like I had to, but like now I do it because I like mentally and physically need to do it. So anyways, it was a little HIIT workout. I'm really excited because I'm trying a new recipe tonight. It is a creamy chicken pasta, and I thought we could do it together. I never really cook with you guys because I'm a horrible cook. You guys will see. We're about to enter complete chaos in the kitchen right now. Like I am so unorganized. I hate cooking. But I was like, you know what? If I find some really yummy meals, maybe it'll make me enjoy it a little bit more, because as we know, all I make are taco bowls and we need to switch things up. So let's head into the kitchen. The thing with cooking is I just feel like it takes so freaking long. And yeah, so this is the recipe we're gonna make. It is chicken penne pasta. I doubt mine will look like this, but we're gonna give it a whirl. Okay, looks pretty good, but the amount of chaos that just occurred in that kitchen is insane. But now we're gonna eat and watch some YouTube. I finished my Quizlet. It's like 150 terms right now, and I have 2 more lectures to do tomorrow. I originally was just gonna focus, or I was gonna do 2 classes tonight, but then I started getting really nervous for this exam on Friday because it's just a lot bigger than I thought it was. So I didn't do any of my pulmonology stuff for my medicine course that's on Monday. So tomorrow we need to do both because there's so much information for both of them, and I'm like kicking myself for not working on this sooner, but I always procrastinate things, and the reason why I don't stop is because it works for me, but there is gonna come a point where it doesn't work for me anymore, and I know that. But anyways, that concludes the day in the life. It was, I feel like, a very packed day and a pretty good like depiction of what a real day looks like at PA school. I am going to FaceTime Steven, get ready for bed, and go to sleep because I'm gonna wake up early tomorrow to go to the gym. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time.